set M is equal to, we have the members S, D, and then we have A. The question says find the number of subsets in M. If set M is equal to these members S, D, A, find the number of subsets in set M. I said that we need to know the number of elements given in that particular set for us to be able to find the number of subsets in that particular set. Now let us move to the solution. We shall say number of subsets is equal to 2 power n. But remember, n is 3. The elements which are here, let us count. 1, 2, 3. So we shall put here 3 members. 3 what? 3 members. And this is what we are going to use for the purposes of our calculation. We shall now say number of subsets is equal to 2 power 3. This is 3 here. Are we together? And then we shall proceed by saying 2 power 3 is the same as 2 appearing 3 times. 2 multiplied 3 times. Now we can say 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. We can draw a line here, and then we say number of subsets in M, number of subsets in set M is equal to 8. Is equal to 8, and we underline. That's good. Are you seeing how the work is smart? You should also be smart like this when you're organizing your work, and ensure that organization of work is like that. By underlining, please have a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, then you are not a good mathematician. You need to have a ruler, whether during time of exams or when we are doing these exercises, the activities which are even going to follow, ensure that you have a ruler. That one takes us to our example 3. It says if set Y is equal to vowel letters. If set Y is equal to vowel letters, you all know what vowel letters are. Do you know them? Do you remember vowel letters? You learned them in lower primary. You learned them in lower primary. A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. How many are they? They are 5. They are 5 in number. So now they are talking of if set Y equals vowel letters. By the way, we are not going to use this words, vowel and then letters. But we are going to use the vowel letters, direct vowel letters, by counting them, which I have already given you. A, E, O, U. Therefore, in exams, when they put vowel letters like this one is examination trick for you. You need to write them somewhere down here, such that you proceed with their question well. Then now our question says, find the number of subsets in Y. Find the number of subsets in Y. Now that they are talking of vowel letters here, we shall proceed and we say number of subsets is equal to 2 power n. But n, remember, this n here is these vowel letters here, and their number is 5 members. Are we together? We have 5 vowel letters. So we can now go ahead and say number of subsets is equal to 2 power 5. Substitution now. Then we can say 2 power 5 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Means 2 appearing 5 times. 2 multiplied 5 times. So 2 times 2, we get 4. 4 times 2, you get 8. 8 times 2, we get 16. 16 times 2, then we shall get 32. And therefore, we can have a line here. Then we say number of subsets in Y is equal to 32. Are we together? And then we underline our work like that. You see how the work is smart. You see how our work is smart. Are we together? Yes, I believe everybody has followed this, the way of finding the number of subsets in Y. And I believe you have seen where we got the 5 members, these 5 members. I said it is these vowel letters here, the ones we call A, E, O, U. You learned them in lower primary. So it makes us reach the